If you are looking for an AI tool that can turn text, images, or simple ideas into videos within minutes, you have probably come across Pika AI. But is it really one of the best AI video generators in 2026? In this review, I will cover its features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using. What is Pika AI? Pika AI is an AI powered video generation platform that allows users to create videos from text prompts, images, and existing footage. It is designed for content creators, marketers, social media managers, and anyone who wants to create videos without advanced editing skills. The platform focuses on making video creation fast, simple, and accessible. Key features: one of Pika AI's biggest strengths is text to video generation. Simply describe a scene, and the AI creates a video based on your prompt. It also offers image to video generation, allowing you to animate still images and create engaging motion effects. Another standout feature is video editing with AI, where you can modify scenes, add effects, replace objects, and enhance videos without complicated editing software. Pick AI also provides a variety of visual styles, cinematic effects, and social media friendly formats. Pricing: Pick AI offers a free plan that lets users test the platform with limited credits. Paid plans provide more generation credits, faster processing speeds, higher quality exports, and access to advanced features. Pricing may vary over time, so it's best to check the official website for the latest plans. Pros: easy to use interface, fast AI video generation, supports text to video and image to video creation, no advanced editing experience required, great for social media content and marketing videos. Cons: free plan has limited credits, AI generated videos may require some adjustments, longer or highly detailed videos can take additional processing time, output quality may vary depending on the prompt. Is Pekka AI worth it? For creators who want to produce videos quickly without learning professional editing software, Pika AI is a strong option. Its simple workflow, creative tools, and AI powered generation make it useful for social media content, marketing materials, and creative projects. While it may not completely replace professional video editing software, it offers an excellent balance between speed and quality. Final verdict: so is Pika AI the best AI video generator in 2026? It's certainly one of the top contenders if your priority is creating videos quickly and easily using AI. Pika AI is definitely worth trying. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other AI tool reviews, and see you in the next video.